Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase local listings with Google My Business detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by creating or claiming your Google My Business listing. Visit the Google My Business website. Click on the Manage Now button. Sign in with your Google account or create one if you don't have it. Enter your business name in the search bar. If your business appears, click on it to claim it. If not, select the option to add your business. Fill out the required details, including your business name, address, and phone number. Ensure your address is accurate to help customers find you easily. Choose the appropriate business category that best describes your services. Add a business description that highlights key aspects of your offerings. Upload high-quality images of your business, products, and services. Ensure your business hours are accurately reflected. Enable messaging to allow potential customers to reach out directly. Encourage customers to leave reviews on your Google listing. Respond promptly to reviews to engage with your audience. Regularly update your listing to reflect changes in services or hours. Utilize posts to share updates, offers, or events directly on your Google My Business page. Use the Insights feature to track how customers find your listing. Analyze the data to understand where improvements can be made. Add any relevant attributes, such as wheelchair accessible or free Wi-Fi, to enhance your listing. Consider using Google Ads to promote your business locally. Stay active and engaged with your listing to boost visibility. Monitor your ranking in local search results to gauge your success. Make necessary adjustments based on the performance data you collect. Keep your business information consistent across all online platforms. Completing these steps will help improve your local listings and reach more customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.